Good morning student and welcome to the online mathematics class of class 10th and as you know that exercise 13.1 is going on in your class. So in this series I will tell you the question number 7. So the question number 7 is, you have to see on your screen, the question number 7 is Santi Sweets stall was placed an order for making cardboard box for packing their sweets. So here one stall is there, Santi Sweet stall, and this stall make a cardboard box for the sweet, for packing the sweets. Okay, so two size of a box are required here. The bigger of the dimension is, if the box is bigger, so dimension is bigger box is 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and the smaller of the dimension is 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So next things is, for all the overlapped means ke if the box is to be is if the box have to be a uh, parts, then that time you have to do the overlapping for this. That's why the box is closed properly. Okay, so overlapping is 5% of the total surface area is required extra, and if the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 from 100 centimeter square, then find the cost of the cardboard required for supply the 250 boxes of each kind. मीन्स एवरी काइंड के आपको 250 बॉक्सेस क्रिएट करने हैं, एंड यहाँ पर जो बॉक्स बनेगा उसके जो ऊपर का पोर्शन होगा उसको 5% ओवरलैप के लिए रखना है. तो दिस इज़ अ बेसिक कंडीशन हेयर. Now the first of all you have to find the bigger box, and then after you have to find the smaller box, and then after that you have to add all these surface area of bigger box and smaller box, and then after you have to do the overlapping, that is a 5% given in the question. So you have to do the 5% of the total surface area, and then you have to find the cost of that things. Okay, this is a basically you have to do in this question. So start it with the help of a bigger box. So you have to see here, this is your bigger box, this is a bigger box. So bigger box dimension is, length is equal to 25 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter, and height is equal to 5 centimeter is given for the bigger box. Then you have to find the total surface area of one box, one bigger box, that is a 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and then after you have to put the value of L, B and H in this formula one by one, and then you have to solve these things. Okay, and find the answer. The answer is 1450. Here we have to see the solution of these things. Okay, then after you have to find the area of cardboard required for overlapping. So overlapping is there 5%, you very well know. So what is the 5, you have to find the 5% of 1450. So 5% of 1450 you have to calculate here. This value is 72.5 centimeter. How to calculate these things? The total is 1450 of the 5% of means here in the math of means multiply is there. So 1450 into 5 upon 100, percentage means upon 100, and then after calculate it, find the value. This value is 72.5 centimeter square. Now you have to find the one box total area. That's mean the total area is 1450 and overlapping area is this value. So added these things, and then after you have to find the answer. This is a total area of one box, and this is a overlapping area. So you have to add it, and then after your total cardboard area you have to find for one box. Okay, so this is a value 1450 plus 72.5, and then add it. This is a value is 1522.5 centimeter square. This is a total area of one box. Then after you have to make the 250 boxes, so you have to find the 250 boxes, to multiply these 250, and then after you have to find the total 250 boxes surface area, cardboard area. This is a 3380625 centimeter square. this is a total area, that is total cardboard area that is required for making the 250 big boxes, that is given with the help of a given dimensions. Okay, now we have to calculate the for the smallest box. You have to calculate these things just like that. I will explain what's value you have and how to calculate these things. So see this value here. For the smallest box, the length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter. Here first of all you have to see that all the dimension is in a same unit, so you are not have to convert the unit. Okay, so the total surface area is for one small box is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and put the value of LBH. Here you have to put the value 2 into L means 15 into B means 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15, and then after you have to calculate it, and then you have to find the value of total surface area of small boxes, one small boxes. This is a 630, and then after overlapping, which how many overlapping required here, 5%. So you have to calculate the 630 5% of 630. Okay, so how to calculate it? Of means multiply and percentage mean divide. So you have to write this value just like that, 630 into 5 upon 100, and then you have to calculate it, and then the answer is given 31.5 centimeter square. By this way you have to calculate the 5% of 630. So after that you have to see these things, how much value you have. So you have a is total surface area of one box, and also you have a 5% of one box, overlapping 5% of one box. Then after you have to add it. Now you have to find the total area of cardboard of one small box. So this is a addition. Here you have to see this is an addition, 630 plus 31.5, and then after you have to add it, 661.5 centimeter square. This is a total cardboard area for making the one small box. Clear? And then after you have to calculate the total area of cardboard needed for 250 smallest box. So here you know that 250 boxes is there, so you have to multiply this total area with the 250, and then after you have to calculate the total surface area of the smallest 250 boxes. To multiply it, this is a multiplication, and then after you have to write see the total surface area, a total cardboard area for the 250 smallest boxes. Okay, so this is a 165,375 centimeter square. This is a total area of cardboard of smallest 250 boxes, but it is find it is have to find the value of total cardboard for smallest and the biggest boxes. So you have to add all these dimensions or all these value, the big box total cardboard and the smallest total cardboard, add it, and then after you have to find the value. This is the value of a big box and the small box 250 boxes. Okay, so this is a cardboard is required for the making of 250 smallest and biggest boxes. So this value is 5546 3 times 0 centimeter square, and then after the costing is given here. Costing is 1000 centimeter. At the for the 1000 centimeter you have to pay 4 rupees. So you have to multiply this value, this total area with the 4 upon 1000, and then after you have to calculate the answer is 2184. This is your required answer for this question. Clear? So here you very well know how to work with this type of question, and how to do this type of question in your exam. And now we have to tell you the next question, that is a question number 8. The question number 8 is, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car. by making a box like structure with the trampolines that cover all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which are rolled up. Assume that the stretch margin are very small and therefore negligible. How much trampolines would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with the base dimensions is 4 meter into 3 meter. So here we have to explain what's the condition is given here. एक कार है बेटे, और यहाँ पर एक कार के ऊपर आपको उसका जो कवर है वो रखना है. अब उस कवर में जो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है वो उसने बोला है कि नेग्लिजिबल है, आपको नहीं लगाना है. पर जब कार पर आप वो स्पेस रखोगे, वो शेल्टर रखोगे, वो पेपर रखोगे, वो कवर रखोगे, तो उस टाइम पर जो कार होगा उसका नीचे का हिस्सा आप खाली छोड़ देंगे. तो इसका मतलब यू हैव टू फाइंड द 5 फेस ऑफ अ cuboid, that is a form of a cuboid na. तो 5 face of a cuboid you have to find here. तो here the dimension is given in the last line. The height is 2.5 meter. तो height is 2.5 meter given there. Height is 2.5 meter and length and breadth is 4 and 3 meter. Then after, the trampoline is needed to cover the 5 face only. I will tell you कि if the box is open at a one end, that is a base end, then after you have to calculate the 5 face only, because the 5 face is made this CSA, या total surface area. Okay, तो surface area of shelter is 2LB 2 into BH plus HL or plus LB. This is a formula for finding the 5 face. Okay, so 5 face you have to use this formula, and then after put the value of LB, BH and HL, just like L is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, so 4 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 4, and then after you have to calculate it and find the answer, and this answer is 47 meter square. Then you very well know 47 meter square of a trampoline is required to make the shelter. So but you have to see these things कि when you have to cover any type of car, so that time the cover is in the form of cuboid, and also cover is open at the one end, and that end is based. Okay, that end is base, so it is open at the end of base. Then after you have to know this how many face is there, 5 face. So in the for 5 face you have to find or use the formula of literal surface area plus one face of an area, that is a top face. Okay, by this way you have to solve this question and put the value of length, breadth and height, and then you have to calculate it and find the value, just like that I will find here. Okay, so today I will stop my video at this topic, and then after in the next video I will tell you the exercise 13.2. so in this after this video we have to explain some shape that is required to perform the exercise 13.2. so see this first of all, this is your cylinder. Okay, this is a shape of a cylinder, and you very well know which pen you are used, that is a cylindrical form. Okay, in the pipe, for the pipe you have to see in your home. So pipe is a cylindrical form, pen is your cylindrical form. So these all things are a cylindrical form, you very well know. And in the cylinder you have a 2 dimension. This dimension is height and this dimension is diameter. And when after you very well know this dimension is diameter, then you have to find the radius. Radius is radius is equal to d upon 2, यानी कि half of a diameter is called a radius. So these things you have to understood कि in the cylinder two dimension is there. The first dimension is height and second dimension is diameter, and diameter is make a relation with the radius, that is a half of a diameter is called a radius. Okay, so these things you have to understood. Now I feel कि you are very well know what I am says here. So cylinder is just like a figure of pen. Okay, I will explain again. This is your cylinder. Okay, this is a shape of cylinder. Clear? So this is a shape of cylinder. Just a minute. This is a shape of cylinder. This is a shape of cylinder, and in this cylinder the height and the radius is there. Two dimension is given here. Now we have to explain the CSA यानी कि कर्व सरफेस एरिया. तो फॉर द कैलकुलेटिंग ऑफ कर्व सरफेस एरिया यानी कि CSA, तो यू हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला 2 pi r h. And if you have to find the value of TSA of cylinder यानी कि total surface area, तो TSA is equal to 2 pi r bracket h plus r. So these two things you have to learn for explaining या for considering the exercise 13.2. Write these things in your notebook. That is a formula that is used in the exercise 13.2, and learn it when we have to start the exercise 13.2. CSA, I will explain again what is the meaning of CSA. CSA means curved surface area and TSA means total surface area. You have to write it. CSA curved surface area and TSA total surface area. Here we have to explain what is the meaning of curved surface area and what is the meaning of total surface area. Curved surface area is just like that. Only you have to find this value and this value. If you have to find only this type of value, yeah, only this value you have to find, then after you have to use the CSA. If you have to you find this and this value both, okay, then you have to use the total surface CSA. This is a value, this value you have to find, then you have to use the CSA curved surface area. And if you have to find the total value, that's mean you have to find here this value also and this value also and this value and this value. Okay, all the area you have to find of a cylinder, then after you have to use the total surface area. Okay, so I feel you have to know कि what is the difference between a CSA and TSA. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If any type of concern you have, then you have to ask me and comment me before in the below of the video, then after I will give the reply as soon as possible, and also I solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.